Okay, so in today's newspaper, the Indian Express 19, there is a interesting news. The news is about vaccine, and this shingles vaccine is having effect to lower the dementia. This is interesting news. So what is mentioned in this news is that the vaccination against this virus shingles decreases the risk of dementia, which generally happens in the older people. So the thing is like this, that initially it is mentioned what is shingle, this viral infection and other stuffs, which affects neurons and they remain in the nerve cells for the whole life. And when again it is activated or immunity is decreased, in that case causes serious problems. Now this is reduced by this vaccination, and what is found is that further thing that 26% lower cardiovascular related problems, heart failure was 26% lower, then stroke was 24% lower, heart attack was 22% lower, and clotting was 22%. And like this highlight is mentioned, and what is done is that they carried out the test, random clinical trials, and they found that this reduces the dementia risk. Here it is mentioned, initially let me explain you that it is also published in the Nature. So it's a very reputed journal, Nature. And in the last it is mentioned that it is not the only vaccine which reduces dementia risk, but there are some other vaccines also which reduces the dementia risk. Some publications here in 2023 and before that as well, like some evidences linking lower the dementia risk with the other common vaccines, Alzheimer and dementia vaccine. There it is mentioned that correlation is there, dementia and hepatitis A, typhoid, diphtheria vaccine. So interesting part is that it is not just a peculiar case of this vaccine, but other vaccine also reduces dementia risk. So if you are reading this news, you will going to understand what's the immunity, what's this virus, what it causes, what is vaccine, how it is affecting, and besides what is other effects and its possible future new effect which the company will going to file, and the correlation, clinical trial, random clinical trials, and some other vaccines and their relation with dementia initially, there's some basic things and stuffs like that. So it's a very beautiful, interesting news, and it covers so many things. One should read it, those who are interested.